Stop by and take a look at the 2018 Atlas. The Volkswagen Atlas provides you all the flexibility you'd expect from a crossover vehicle with 3 rows of seating. The Atlas also features the latest in audio and safety technologies and is priced below $35,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: all-wheel drive, backup camera, cruise control, compass, trip computer, fog lights, electronic stability control, cargo net, day-night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge. Is love at first sight really possible? Let us know when you stop in.